How to set custom notes password on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view and manage settings for all your installed apps from here. Now, scroll down the list of apps to find and tap on Notes. Scroll down and tap on the password option to proceed. On this page, you can choose the password method to use to lock your notes. Select Use Custom Password to create a unique password separate from your device passcode. You will be taken to the Set Password screen. Here, enter your desired password in the first field and re-enter it in the Verify field to confirm. Once you are done, tap on the checkmark icon in the top right corner to save. Following these steps, you can easily set custom notes password on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.